Okay, so I have made the Nestle, is it called? Cookie dough batter that you can find on the back of your Nestle Toll House pack. Which that one was actually oatmeal cookies, but I got I found the regular recipe online, so you make the cookie dough. Here's the cookie dough. And now I'm going to sorry about that. I'm going to wrap it around Oreos. And that is the trick to the best cookie ever. So get a bunch of cookie dough and just smush it around. Into a ball so that the cookie is not showing anymore. Just like that. With the Oreo inside. And then put it onto the pan and do about 2 each. You probably put like 8 on a pan.
Actually, I'm going to start with 6.
This is what we got. We got 6 of them on a tray. And I'm just cooking them normal. 375. Middle rack. Or we'll start with, I guess, 12 minutes to start. And I want to watch them. And we will see how that goes. And yes, our oven is really dirty. I really gotta clean my oven. Okay, so that's the first batch. Looks like they came out pretty good. They're really heavy. They're really heavy. They have a lot of weight. They're huge. I would say one of these is the equivalent to like 4 regular cookies. That's more than half the batter right there. Okay, so here is the taste test. Get some good lighting here. Didn't reach it yet. Might take a couple bites. That was so good though. Need milk with this, right? Mmm. So good. That's the full tray. This one I didn't have enough batter left to cover it, so that's my creation right there. That'll probably actually be pretty good, honestly. But yeah, they came out good. I was surprised you only had to cook them for the same amount of time as you had to cook the regular ones, but it's something unique. It'd be something good to try at like a party or something, a family party, where you want to bring something different that not a lot of people have had or something, and then maybe not even tell them that it's in there and just make them like bite into it, be like, oh shoot, there's an Oreo in there. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.